What's up guys, Kojina Racing here with another awesome video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to recharge the AC on a 2016 WRX. Coming up. So one thing that I noticed since I have this car, it's like the AC is not working well. It's like the heat works, okay, but the AC it's not cold. So I'm gonna go now to AutoZone to see if I can buy the recharge for the AC compressor and try to recharge it. If not, I have to call the dealership to see what's wrong. But yeah, see you on AutoZone.
20 minutes later.
And we made it back on AutoZone. Here we are. So yeah, I'm gonna go in, grab some stuff, I'll be back.
A few moments later.
We got it guys, we just bought this. For what I was told, this is the one of the best ones, so yeah, I'm just gonna use this one to see if it works.
Later.
So first thing you're gonna need is, of course, the recharge. I got this one, for what I heard is one of the best ones, so I'm gonna be using this one. You got the gadget, so that's good. And next, what you're gonna need to find is this is the air compressor right here. So you follow the line, not the thinnest one, the thickest one, and you follow it, and it goes all the way to the lowest point. That's right there, that blue tab right there. That's the lowest point. That's where you're gonna connect the rechargers. Alright, let's do that real quick. Okay guys, so I already unscrewed the tab. I got it right here. Got the L, like low. So then what you have to do is turn on the car. Okay, turn on the car. And then put the AC on the highest and on the coldest. Okay, I'll leave it like that for now. And come back here and start filling it up. So I connect everything already right there. Okay, before you use it, you have to change the bottle. Check it, it's gonna get cold, and then squeeze. Every 5-7 seconds move the bottle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let go, shake, squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? Do not overfill. Right? Just do it multiple times and then leave it. Alright, so I already fill it up, put everything back together. The tab is right there. Now let's check if it's cold. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Woo. Now it's freezing. Oh my god, that's what I need. Yeah, that's so easy, so simple. Let me lower this first. Wow. So guys, there you have it. How to recharge the AC, I would say gas, I don't know. Propane? No, it's not propane. I don't know. How to recharge the AC on a 2016 WRX. It's very easy, very simple. The bottle that I bought, it cost me like $50 only. There's some cheaper one. I just went to the most expensive one because I want my AC to be like really cold. And I read some review about it and they talk very good about that brand over there. So yeah, there you have it. It's very easy, very simple. You can do it yourself. It took me like I would say like 12 minutes because I'm recording for you guys and I'm doing it. So if you're not recording anything, you should be able to do it in like 6-7 minutes easily. And now we have AC. It's as simple as that. As always, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. If you haven't done it already, hit that subscribe button over there. Join the family, join the Koji Nations. Yeah, there's a lot of content coming up about the WRX, but also the Click 35. I'm not gonna forget about the Click 35, okay? So yeah, stay tuned. Comment down below what you want to see next. What you want to see a race between the Click 35 and the WRX. What you want to see me doing on the WRX, or what you want to see me doing on the Click 35i. I don't know, just comment down below whatever you want to see on a video, and I'll do it for you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.